Sekolah Menengah Sains Rembau is located in Negeri Sembilan, or specifically in Rembau district. Our school is built in 2009 and is officially admitting students in 2010. Fun fact, our school is actually the only SPP that's located in Rembau district. So, other schools nearby will always look up to our school. For information, our school has over 800 students.
Studying while enjoying the fresh air and picture square view is like a second nature for students in our school. Knowing this, our school have provided several seat benches in our school area to satisfy the students' need. But unfortunately, there's been a lot of issues that have surfaced regarding the facilities. One of it is the seat benches are too heavy and not flexible to be moved around. Besides, the materials of the seat benches can easily crack and cause the students to feel uncomfortable and not safe to sit on it. In addition to this issue, the seat benches use a lot in terms of building costs. But on top of it all, we find that these seat benches is definitely not eco-friendly and needs some innovating done. So our team, HAAGEN'S, come up with an innovative idea to help provide a conducive environment for our schools, which called as POSTSHARE, that stands for Portable Seat Benches.
This product is targeted to all institutions that are suitable, but we strongly suggest this product for educational institutions such as public library and recreational park.
So, this is our final drawing for our project. For the base, we plan on using used plywood. Next, we plan to build the body by using metal wire and mixing of cement and used paper. This way, we can reduce the use of cement. For the touch-up, we plan on using painting to give texture to our product. Lastly, we plan to add cushion that we make by using reused fabric.
For the materials, we use metal wire, cement, used paper, water, paint, used plywood and used fabric.
So, this is our project cost.
Save nature, choose POSTSHARE.